We got a GMC Sierra showing you the best accessories you can do. Starts out with the side steps. If your truck doesn't have these, this is gonna help the family get in. It provides some style and as well as some side protection from door dings. It'll bang the step first. These are a 4-inch black style, nice powder coat finish. Then we're on to the bed cover. You got the undercover armor flex. It's got the heavy duty bed liner coat. You just grab a cable each time, fold it up all the way so that you can use your whole bed. We did this rugged liner, all custom fit. This laser fit from the factory, so it's got all the cutouts for the lights and the hooks. Drops right in, snaps in under your rail. Truck Access Plus. Bed covers are the #1 thing we do here. We have them for all trucks. Visit us in Phoenix for the expert installation, good experience, or online, truckaccessplus.com. We can do free shipping on one of these covers for your truck today.